So today I got a 2017 Pacifica. I'm gonna show you how to install this amplifier that you've seen here and how to wire it and how to use a bypass kit. Flipping this, remove this panel right there so I can run. Now if you got an 8 gauge, you can just hide it right here, but I'm gonna do it right there. I just pop it out right here and then run the wire through it. But in order to do that, I'm gonna poke a hole right there. Just make sure you're not poking through the wire right there. You just put right here. So I'm gonna tape them and then I spray some WD-40. Voila, right here. And I'm gonna spray WD-40 a little bit right there, just like just a small amount. I ran the wire through there. I kind of pop this open right there, and then just all you have to do is tape it back. It should be good. I don't know why they build it just to protect the wiring, I understand, but it was just so hard to do. And everything over here, I made a hole right here. I'll show you later. There's 2 screws right here. Some of them doesn't have a screw, so you can pop it off like that. And it is a T15, smaller piece. Where's it at? Right here. It's a T15. Just grab. I took this out too because it's kind of easier to pull this out like this so I can get the wire through here. And then there should be 2 more right here. 1, 2. And then there's a ground right here. You can take 10 millimeter and remove that. Of course, I'm not going to show you how to remove that. I was talking about, so somebody did probably try to take that out before. Just take a small pin and pry it out. I guess they didn't put the screw back in. I don't see why you need it. So just go ahead and put these cover back on right here. Right there. Whew. I could have put the amp on here, but nah, I'm gonna put it down here. Cause, oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to run the speaker wire through here first. Whoa, that was rough. That sucks. So I gotta run it from the I'm gonna run it. That's where the amp is at, so I can run it that way and coming through right here, there, and go up there. I'm gonna run the speaker wire for that. I could have used an RCA jack wire. I use a kiss lock too, so that would be the only way. Now as I got that back plug in and everything, I'm gonna plug the white one right here. This is an ANC bypass I was talking about. So you plug this to the white one like so, and then plug it back to the white area where you remove it from. And same as the gray one, you plug the same way. The little gray one, I think it's a 10 pin. Do the same thing. See, I got the red to the 12 volt, the black from that ground right there, from there to that ground, and remote from the fuse box, and then the positive and the negative speakers. And then I got the RCA jack from the front amp passenger side coming straight over here. And I'm gonna adjust the sub and the level a little bit, so I might just go ahead and mount it like this. But I'm not sure yet until everything's done. Then I can tuck the wire and everything inside so it doesn't look junky. Using the Allen wrench and put one side this fuse right there. There's a 100 amp fuse right there in that hole. Using the Allen wrench. And I did the same to the power right there. I'm gonna run it like that somehow, and then I'm gonna put the cover back. I took a 10 millimeter socket and remove this nuts and bolt. So nuts, and make sure when you do it you hold like this, because some of them can be tight and then you can break this, because this little thing right there can break easily, so be careful on that. Use a added fuse right there. It's called added fuse. You can buy a whole package for like $5. I'm gonna do it right there. I think that's F67, I think. So right here, that red one right here. So 10 gonna go here. Oh, I got this on my mouth. The fuse remover. I forgot how it went. I guess it's like this. Yep. something like that. Anyway, go ahead and plug it back. So I use only a 5 amp right there, because that's all it really needs is 5 amp to power on the amp. And like so, and then I'm find the right spot for the hole to be moved onto. I'm sure it's right here. I can pinch this thing right there, but I don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna have to put it back like that and be fine. Yep, as you can see, I did test it, making sure it's not just gonna come on unless you turn the key on.